If you have a product or a service you want to sell, make sure it's the finest quality you can make it, and that it does something to make the world a better place to live because you're there. What's it going to take to get people off their derrieres and just going and actually making something happen? It happens when they realize, as individuals, they can make the change. Not too long ago, I was on a panel for the Asian Pacific Economic Council, and one of the topics that I spoke on was, why go green? When you start going green and your customers know you went green, you better believe they're going to remember what you did because you wanted to make the world a better place to live. At John Paul Mitchell Systems, our tea tree line is carbon neutral. You bring your own utensil with you to work, free lunch. And we bring it to you in stainless steel containers that can be cleaned and washed instead of thrown away. If you go ahead and carpool, we'll take care of your gas for you. We have systems installed where if you leave a room, the lights automatically go off. And it's interesting when you do that and start replacing bulbs with energy efficient bulbs, that all of a sudden, not only does your carbon print go down, but you use less energy, and it's very good business to the bottom line. When we started Petron, we thought, let's do it with recycled glass, because there's so much glass all over the streets of Mexico. All the Petron bottles are all recycled glass and recycled paper. Why not clean up the environment while you're there, do something that is good, and be productive, and create more jobs for more people? Because the person that picks up the bottle off the street gets a little bit of money. The person that processes it and transports it gets a little bit of money. So it's good for the economy, it's good for business, and it's very good for us. You are now sitting in my train. Right now it's being used by my fine company Petronas and Petron Express. It's a 1927 train car that's been totally refitted from one end to another by my great friend Isaac. And it's like a Maharaja's palace in parts of it. It's very unique, hand carved, but underneath the technology will let this train be pulled at over 100 miles an hour with total safety. We like to take it around to show people that, look how cool trains are. You know, trains use a lot less fuel than anybody else. In fact, I'd love to show you what we're doing on board here with biodiesel. This is the setup we're going to have for the Republican National Convention and the Democratic National Convention also. And famous actors will be out the back giving famous speeches, and I'm going to be saying, going green because you can, and it makes a lot of sense. And this is a biodiesel train. Do a little something, you'll feel the magic, and all of a sudden you'll want to do more and more and more because it makes you feel good.